So in this video I'm going to show you how you use the exact angle triangles to both find a solution to problems where you know the angle and to find the value of the angle. So you can see over here on the left hand side I have the exact angle triangles drawn, and I've marked the angles in both radians and degrees. So we're going to do this in both radians and degrees for your example here today. So the first question, sine of 60 degrees. And we want to know what that equals using our exact angle triangles. So that means we need to go and find the angle of 60, which is over in this bottom corner over here. And we need to keep in the back of our mind the rule for sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So if this is our angle, root 3 is the opposite, and 2 is the hypotenuse. So there is our exact angle solution. Tan pi over 6. Well, we go and find pi over 6 in the triangles. It's up there in orange. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So if this is our angle, opposite to it is 1, and adjacent to it is root 3. So our solution is 1 over root 3. Final one, cos of pi over 4. Well, pi over 4 is down here in this triangle here. And it doesn't matter if I use that angle or that angle for pi over 4, it's going to make no difference. But cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so the adjacent side is 1 and the hypotenuse is square root 2. Alright, so for the last 3 examples that I have there, we've been given a solution. We know tan theta equals root 3 over 1, and we want to find the angle that matches. So again, we're sort of just going to work this process backwards. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So that means we need to look for the triangle that has root 3 and 1, which is this triangle up here. And if tan is opposite over adjacent, well, that means root 3 is opposite and 1 is adjacent. So the angle that we must be referring to is this one over here. So depending on if we wanted our answer in radians or degrees, we would say that is either 60 degrees or pi on 3 radians, okay, depending on what you were asked to do. Cos theta equals root 3 over 2. Again, we're going to look for the triangle that's got a root 3 and a 2, which is this top one here, root 3 and 2. Our rule for cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the root 3 is the adjacent side, hypotenuse is 2. So the angle that's adjacent to root 3 is this top one. So our answer would be either 30 degrees or pi over 6. Last one, sine of 1 over root 2. So looking for the triangle that has a 1 and a root 2, which is this bottom triangle down here. Okay, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. It doesn't matter which value of 1 we use. Let's pretend we're going to use this one. So this is our opposite. That's the hypotenuse. So opposite to this angle is down here, 45 degrees or pi on 4. So that's how you use exact angle triangles.